Hidden in the dense forests of Southeast Asia is a creature both elusive and intriguing. Small, agile, and curious, it's the Burmese Ferret-Badger. This nocturnal mammal, despite its modest size, plays a fascinating role in its ecosystem. With its distinctive black mask and elongated, weasel-like body, the Burmese Ferret-Badger cuts a striking figure. It belongs to the Mustelidae family, a group that includes badgers, otters, and weasels. Unlike its larger and more aggressive cousins, this badger is a quiet and solitary creature, adapted to a life in the shadows. Primarily a carnivore, the Burmese ferret-badger has a keen sense of smell, perfect for locating its favorite foods, insects, worms, and small vertebrates. But it won't turn down the occasional fruit or root, making it a bit of an opportunist in its diet. Its sensitive whiskers help it navigate through the undergrowth in near total darkness, where it feels most at home. As a nocturnal forager, the Burmese ferret-badger avoids the heat of the day and the eyes of potential predators. The Burmese ferret-badger is largely a solitary animal, preferring to live and hunt alone. It is most active during the night, when it feels safest from predators and competition. This nocturnal behavior helps it avoid larger, more active animals during the day, allowing it to move quietly and without drawing much attention. Equipped with sharp claws, the Burmese ferret-badger is adept at digging. It often excavates shallow burrows or digs to uncover insects and small invertebrates hidden beneath the forest floor. It will sometimes take shelter in abandoned burrows made by other animals, highlighting its resourceful and opportunistic nature. Despite being elusive, the Burmese ferret-badger is naturally curious. It relies on its highly developed sense of smell and touch to explore its surroundings. Sensitive whiskers, combined with a strong nose, help it gather information about potential food sources, new territory, or other animals nearby. When faced with a threat, the Burmese ferret-badger often uses a freeze response, standing still in hopes of blending into the shadows. If this fails, it quickly retreats, relying on its small size and agility to escape into dense vegetation or burrows. This instinctive response allows it to evade larger predators that hunt by sight and motion. The Burmese ferret-badger is surprisingly agile, capable of maneuvering quickly through complex terrain. While it mainly hunts on the ground, it can also climb low trees to seek food or evade predators. This adaptability is crucial for survival in its dynamic forest habitat, where it needs to be flexible and quick to adjust to the ever-changing environment. Though it is solitary, the Burmese ferret-badger communicates indirectly through scent marking. It leaves behind a musky odor on trees, rocks, and other objects within its territory. These scent marks serve as signals to other ferret-badgers, either to mark boundaries or to indicate readiness for mating, making up for the lack of direct social interaction. In the wild, this small animal faces numerous threats, from larger predators to the growing encroachment of human activity. Deforestation, hunting, and habitat loss have all posed significant challenges for the Burmese ferret-badger, placing it in a delicate balance for survival. The Burmese ferret-badger, a quiet shadow in the forest, a resilient survivor, and a symbol of the delicate balance within nature's hidden realms.